Let's go to the beach.
No.
Come on, let's go to the beach.
Okay.
No.
Stop eating them.
A bird could have flown over and made a poop right there where you picked up snow.
I don't think it did. Under snow.
When you kick.
What about under the snow?
Under the snow?
We're going to the island. We'll just go to that island and go back.
Why?
Kick your feet when you're walking. It's easy.
I need to
Let's go see if these guys caught any fish. You want to go see if they caught any fish?
go.
What?
Hold on, I think my socks back on. My socks are going off.
Your socks are coming off?